Michelle Gibson, Realtor here with Keller Williams.
And Christine Faulkner, estate planning attorney with Faulkner here in Elk Grove.
So yeah, Christine, last we spoke, you were talking about some reasons why people hate lawyers. And I mean, are there a couple other reasons? What else?
Yeah, there's probably like millions. Heard tons of lawyer jokes. I'm not a great joke teller, otherwise I'd tell one right now. Oh, I will tell one, right? If you've probably heard it. What's 1,000 lawyers at the bottom of the ocean?
What?
A good start.
That is pretty good. That's good.
Yeah. So, so we talked about this last week, and I know one of the things that, having again been practicing for 28 years, that drives clients crazy is they can never get in touch with their lawyers. So lawyers are busy people, but they won't return phone calls. And it's really frustrating for clients because they've got an urgent problem and they need to talk to their attorney, and the lawyer never calls back, or they call back 2 weeks later. And not being responsive, not really being there and attuned to your client's needs is a huge reason why people are like, lawyers suck. They're no fun to work with because I have to get this problem solved and I can't get in touch with this person. And it actually makes me feel like they don't care about me. So, there is also the fact that the law is kind of this thing out there that nobody really knows about, and they feel like lawyers kind of hold the key, and lawyers many times are solving problems that are uncomfortable for people. So the dynamic sometimes is not great from the beginning because the client comes to the lawyer with a really nasty problem, and it can affect their perception of the lawyer, or all lawyers. But one of the things that we try to do at Faulkner is be responsive. We ideally shoot for a 24-hour turnaround time for phone calls, because 24 hours for emails, because I am mindful of the fact that people have, they value their time just as I do mine, and they want an answer to their questions. So we try to be really quick in our turnaround time. And I try to make things as understandable for people. We spend a lot of time in the family wealth planning session going over language and trying to speak to my clients in basically plain English, so they don't think that it's beyond their reach or beyond their intellect to understand what we're talking about. So I guess I try to make it understandable for people, and talk to them in layman's terms so it's easy to understand. So that's a couple of things that we try to do different, because we don't want our clients to hate us. We want them to love us.
No, that's so important. I mean, when all those big words, as we would say, right, to break it down and make it understandable, and you do make them feel comfortable. So, well, thanks, Christine.
You're welcome.
We'll see you again next week.
Okay.